We just doing headlights all day. Now headlight replacement on a 2015 Malibu. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Nah, let's get them all swapped out, man. Bumper probably gonna have to come off, but I'm gonna see if I can finesse it real quick. Doing time lapse, yo. I'm gonna just show y'all real quick because I know there's videos already out there, but take all the torques off from the top, get a little bit of play with the bumper. Go ahead, come over here to the side though. You know. Get the wheel liner torques out. That one already broken, so you ain't gotta worry about that. 1, 2, 3. But don't worry about that one. And then there's gonna be a 7 mil right here for a headlight. I'm sorry, for the bumper. I'll show you. We got 7 there. See how this one's already gone? There was a 7 right there. So I'll hit y'all back with the time lapse. All right, y'all, there's 5 screws for the headlight. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 down there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, a nigga can't count. That's 4 screws. Nah, just playing. 4 screws for the headlight. And once you do that, it should pop right out. So the headlights come with a little plastic piece, you know, there's extra clip right here, right here. Come with 4 screws, they go on the bottom of the headlight. Why? Because these tabs right here is how your bumper attach back to the damn headlight. So make sure you put that in, okay? I got a little helper, y'all. You gonna help me or what? You gonna help me, homie? No, you just gonna go up in the backyard. All right. That's how you feel? You gonna go all up in the backyard? What you looking for, little homie? Hey, man. You ain't gonna help me? Hello? Talking to you. Come on, little homie. Little homie. You ain't gonna help me? You ain't gonna help me? Hey. Oh, you just gonna kick the leaves at me, huh? What the hell you doing, brother? What are you doing? Oh, you just gonna kick the leaves? What you looking for? What you looking for, little buddy? Alright, let me get back to work. I gotta finish these headlights. But you ain't gonna help me. Just say something. Alright, I'll let you be. Have fun. I gotta put the headlights back together. There you have it. 2015 Chevy Malibu headlight replacement. So got the plastic on there. Let the customer rip that off. You know. But that's that, man. Flats signing out, y'all.